Alright, I'm going to do a little quick review on this. This is a Yes plasma cutter, Cut55DS. And when I read the reviews, the concern was to make sure you had this little thing to keep it the perfect distance. Also, that it would trigger the air and go with just pressing the trigger. The other one said that, you know, I had to get ground contact for it to work, and so everybody complained about that. So I wanted to make sure I got this model that had those options. And basically the volts, I got it running from the dryer with my super cable out here with my connector. I could have not used these adapters in here, but I have them for my welding, and so I believe it would just plug in to the dryer cord. But the dryer cord also has an adapter, because when they come with the super cord, it does not have the right one, so you have to get the right one for your dryer, because all the dryers are different. And then I don't really need these two adapters, but they're already on there, so I'm using them. It came with this. I hooked it up, it worked for a few minutes, and it blew the breaker on the wall over there. So it's too much amps, because it's 30 amps, and that's like a 15. So basically you have your amps, 30 amps, and you have your PSI, and I have the PSI hooked on my compressor in there. I used the regular hose. It came with a hose, but it was kind of silly. So this seems to do the business. I already cut this piece here off, and that was my cut. So I'm kind of scared of it, kind of, you know, when you use a torch, it splatters and shoots and sprays. So, I mean, I bought this to make these circles because using a torch is too hard. So that was 200 bucks for my project. I think it's worth it, instead of messing with the bottles and all that stuff, and I can use it for other stuff moving forward. So far I love it. Cuts really nice, and that's kind of my review for that. Love it so far, but still cautious of it. All right, easy strike up. You just put this on there. I'm shaky, I'm not very good at it, not confident, no training, so it's pretty smooth. But you can see it's hard to see where this thing is going, so you get it just blasting right through there. But easy cut through there. This is so much better than using a cutting torch, but I am nervous of it. You know, no training, nobody showed me how it works. You just got to go for it. So sometimes that can be a little scary when you're doing new stuff. The other thing, it's a lot of air pressure, and so that's kind of bugging me. Put earmuffs on. I also got these weird purple safety glasses, but I should have goggles, because if that would shoot up, it would definitely go behind these goggles, these little safety glasses. But that's all I got right now, so I'm trying to get this part done so I can move on.